Forget the $1 million SaaS dream for a second. What if you built 5 products that each made $300 to $500 per month? That's $1,500 to $2,500 monthly income from multiple revenue streams. This is the micro-SaaS model, and it's the most underrated way to make money as a developer right now. Lower risk because if one product flops, 4 others still make money. Less pressure because you're not betting everything on one idea. Multiple revenue streams that are recession-proof. And each product becomes a portfolio case study for freelance and agency work. A micro-SaaS is a small product with one clear job. Here are real examples with real numbers. Email template builder, $19 per month, 50 customers equals $950 per month. API monitoring dashboard, $29 per month, 30 customers equals $870 per month. Content repurposing tool, $39 per month, 20 customers equals $780 per month. Database schema generator, $29 per month, 40 customers equals $1,160 per month. CSV to API converter, $49 per month, 15 customers equals $735 per month. None of these need hundreds of thousands of users. They just need 15 to 50 dedicated customers paying a monthly fee. Here's how a developer actually executes the 5-product strategy in year 1. Product 1 launches in weeks 1 through 6, reaches $300 per month by week 16. Product 2 launches in weeks 7 through 12, reaches $250 per month by week 22. Products 3, 4, and 5 follow in sequence, each building revenue on top of the last. By month 10, you have $1,300 per month from all 5 products combined. By month 12, you're at $1,500 to $2,000 per month. That's $18,000 to $24,000 annual income requiring maybe 3 to 5 hours per week of total maintenance. This is not a fantasy timeline. It works because each product only takes 5 to 6 weeks to build, and statistically 3 to 4 of your 5 products will hit $200 or more per month. Without Claude, building 5 SaaS products in a single year is almost impossible for a solo developer. You'd need 5 to 6 months per product minimum, deep expertise across multiple domains, and constant debugging on your own. With Claude as your development partner, 60 to 70% of the code is generated for you. API integrations are handled. Testing is faster. Architectural decisions that used to take days now take hours. That compressed timeline from 6 months down to 5 to 6 weeks per product is the entire advantage. Claude doesn't replace your judgment, it removes the friction that was slowing you down. Most people fail at micro-SaaS because they chase the wrong ideas. Here's the filter that actually works. An idea passes if it answers yes to all 3 questions. First, is it a problem you personally face? If yes, you'll stay motivated when things get hard. Second, can you build an MVP in 3 to 4 weeks? Timeline matters more than perfection. Third, will people pay $19 to $49 per month for a solution? Pricing viability confirms real demand. Here's a real example of this filter in action. Problem. Every week, you convert CSV files to JSON for API uploads and it takes 2 hours each time. Solution. A web app that converts CSV to JSON in seconds. Market test. Ask 10 developers if they'd pay $29 per month. 7 out of 10 say yes immediately. Build time. 4 weeks. Launch. Sell to those 7 on day 1. Lean launch means you ship on day 1 with 80% feature completeness. Core feature works perfectly. Edge cases get handled later. The UI is functional, not pretty. Days 1 through 7, you land your first 5 to 10 early users by telling your network, posting on indie hackers, and emailing a few relevant communities. Days 8 through 30, you iterate based on their feedback. You add features customers ask for, fix bugs they report, refine pricing if needed. Day 31 and beyond is steady-state maintenance, maybe 2 to 3 hours per week, responding to questions and shipping 1 or 2 small improvements per month. Shipping fast is not cutting corners. It's the only way to find out what actually matters to your customers. For micro-SaaS, the right pricing structure converts more customers than you'd expect. Recommended model. Basic tier at $19 per month with limited usage. Professional at $49 per month with unlimited usage. Business at $99 per month with API access and white label options. Most customers land in professional. That's your anchor. To go from 0 to 15 to 20 customers, you follow a sequence. Week 1. Tell your network and get 2 to 3 early customers. Weeks 2 through 3. Post on communities and get 5 to 7 more. Week 4 and beyond. Content marketing and SEO bring in 1 to 2 new customers per week on autopilot. That gets you to $285 to $980 per month per product. Here's the power move that makes Micro-SaaS even more compelling. Run it alongside your freelancing income. Freelancing brings in $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Micro-SaaS adds another $1,500 to $2,000 per month. Combined, that's $6,500 to $12,000 per month. And the Micro-SaaS only requires 5 to 10 hours per week across all 5 products. You're not sacrificing your freelance business to make it work. Building 5 products also makes you a better freelancer. You become a stronger architect, a faster coder, and more confident in every technology decision you make. By product 5, you're executing a proven playbook that most developers never get to run. Comment below. What problem would your first Micro-SaaS solve? Subscribe for the next video where I show you the tech stack that makes sense.